就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi, I'm Joseph Lin. It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. Let's listen to 声响乐队 with 大福字，就是打屋子的意思，其实就是在描述到处可见的野菜。然后他们用客语、台语、原住民语、日语还有广东话来唱出不同打屋子的说法，来描述这些离乡背景的人到处都还是可以落地生根哦。好白好浓，来比来跳高春节风，爱美。做无名，也难得大方抢讲。大屋子有几啊菜，打竹棍白花吹，嫌爱记名，把地来的来，作小动，十年呢。番薯爱有够甜，食鸡骨，草麻油无做，鸡春土，白叶苦柑转来送。This song by Sen Xiang and Band is called 大福字 which actually means bird berries, but the berries of the title refer to the black nightshade plant, which often grows wild. And so the band decided to bring out different languages of how to describe this bird berry in Hakka, in Taiwanese, in Japanese, in Cantonese, and even in the indigenous Taiwanese tongues. So the song is actually about a person being hardy and free-spirited, just like the plant of the title that can grow wild anywhere it goes. Well, let's get right back to the music. ，Don't you feel like dancing to the beats of 声响乐队大福字? I do. Hope you enjoyed it. My name is Joseph Lin. We will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.